Welcome back. Today we're going to be explaining what would happen if Shaggy sneezed. Make sure to like and subscribe or Shaggy will sneeze on you. Okay, so if I did my math correct, I figured out that Shaggy could and will possibly might sneeze. And when he sneezes, we might have to brace ourselves of the side effects. The side effects may include the world cracking in half, if not that, our atmosphere shattering, if that's even possible. But who knows? It's Shaggy, and he sneezes. Eventually he will, and we have to brace ourselves by making underground bunkers, supply it with food, water, supplies, and of course weapons, because we all know that sneezes could be bad, and it could start a post-apocalyptic warfare. So, if Shaggy were to sneeze, it could be the end of our world. Most people would surely die, if not suffer horribly. And if you are not one of those few unlucky survivors, well, now you know how you're gonna die. Shaggy's gonna sneeze, one way or another, sometime or not. We all have to brace ourselves. And so, thank you for watching. Do you hear that? Sounds like Shaggy. Thank you for watching the very first video of Sounds Like Shaggy. Make sure to watch your second one coming up soon.